Almost everybody you know recharges their phone every day, every week, every month. And we are in a time where you can literally not live without data. It is almost impossible to survive without data. In this video, you will learn how you can make 10,000 Naira daily selling data online. We will show you how to get started, show you how to turn this into a very profitable business. To make 5,000 Naira daily, you only need to make 500 Naira 10 times. To make 10,000 Naira daily, you only need to make 500 Naira 20 times or 1,000 Naira 10 times. In this video, we'll show you how you can make 500 Naira per transaction and how you can make up to 10 to 30, 50 transactions daily. At the end of the day, what you watch in this video can help you make between 5,000 Naira to 50,000 Naira daily. The result you get from this strategy solely depends on how hard you are willing to work and how much effort you are willing to put into it. Don't worry, before the end of this video, we will show you how to start this properly and scale it up to generate as little as 100,000 Naira daily up to 300,000 Naira daily. The possibilities are endless. Welcome to British Commerce and Tech, where we explore the latest trends, tools, resources, and strategies in business and technology. From e-commerce, branding, marketing, apps, AI, and other technological resources for entrepreneurs, we've got you covered. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos, tutorials, reviews, and insights. Now, let's dive in. The next question on your mind is, how exactly are we going to make this money? This is a very simple business model. What we'll be doing is reselling virtual top-ups and data of the most popular networks in Nigeria to consumers at affordable rates. Before we proceed and we start any registration, we need to examine what exactly we'll be doing. The first step is to register an account on VTU Express. To register an account, kindly use the link in the description. When you use the link in the description, you'll be supporting this channel and you'll be helping us grow, and you'll be providing us the means to keep producing helpful videos like this. In the next step, we'll be showing you how to register and verify an account with VTU Express. Let us analyze how we'll be making this money. MTN sells 2 gig data valid for 30 days for 1,200. When you come to VTU Express, that same 30 days 2 gig data plan sells for 490 Naira. Let us assume this is 500 Naira. If you cut your price down for a 2 gig 30 days plan on MTN for 1,000 Naira and you sell to people, you'll be able to make 500 Naira on a sale. Let us check out how much Airtel is selling their 2 gig data and how much you can sell from VTU Express. 2 gig data also on Airtel is 1,200 Naira, and on VTU Express 2 gig data Airtel 30 days plan is 500 Naira. This is also the same, 1,200, 500 Naira. That's a 700 Naira difference. If you cut your own price to 1,000 Naira, you attract people who will be saving 2,000 Naira on their purchase and you'll be making 500 Naira profit. If you are able to sell this to 10 people daily, you'll be able to make 5,000 Naira. If you're able to sell this to 20 people daily, you'll be able to make 10,000 Naira. And if you can make 10,000 Naira conveniently a day, in 30 days you'll be making 300,000 Naira. As long as there's still internet and you can still reach out to your customers, you will keep generating your money daily. To get started, we need to register an account with VTU Express, and to register an account with VTU Express, kindly click the link in the description, which will take you to the VTU Express registration page. And by clicking the link in the description, you'll be supporting Build with Cards and helping us to keep producing helpful and insightful videos like this. Remember, if you are doing this on your phone, the user interface remains the same. The only difference is the user experience, because you'll be using a smaller screen, but the buttons, the menu, the steps still remains the same. Look for the register button at the top of the screen or at the drop down menu on the mobile, then click on register. This will take you to the VTU Express sign up page. Put in your full name, put in your username, put in your email address, enter your phone number in international format, enter your home address, enter your password and confirm your password. Make sure your password is minimum of 8 characters, and as usual, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number, at least 1 special character to make it extra secured. Make sure your password and your confirmed password is the same. Click on the agree the terms and conditions, then click on sign up. Immediately you will see it says you have successfully registered. Kindly log in to continue. Enter your username, enter your password, then click sign in. That is simply how to register an account with VTU Express. The next thing we'll be showing you in this video is how to fund your VTU Express wallet. When you click on the Fund Wallet button, it will expand the options and show you Fund with Pay Stack, which you'll be using your ATM card. Fund with Payment Gateway, you'll also be using your ATM card in doing this. Automated Bank Transfer, which you'll be charged 50 Naira, or Fund with Coupon. If you have a free coupon code or any other thing, you can easily use that by clicking on Fund with Coupon. In this video, we'll be using Fund with Pay Stack. This will add 40 Naira to the amount, which makes it 2040 Naira right now. Click on Continue to Funding, and this will redirect you to the Paystack payment page. And the good thing about the Paystack payment page is you can now decide if you want to continue with your card or you want to use bank. You choose your bank and you follow the steps, or you want to transfer. When you click on transfer, a bank account will be generated and you see the bank name and the exact amount you need to send. Select your bank and follow the prompts. You can use Visa QR code to pay. Just select whichever option works for you. After you have successfully funded your account, your balance will show up right here and you can start purchasing data or any other service you want to sell. When you scroll down on the VTU Express dashboard page, you will see the account number where you can automatically send money to, and this will immediately fund your VTU Express wallet. When you scroll a little bit further down, you will see your wallet balance. If you are referring people as an affiliate, you will see your referral bonuses. My total referrals, you see the number of people you've referred. If you need to contact the customer support via WhatsApp, you can as well do this. If you want to join the VTU Express WhatsApp group where you can talk and see new opportunities, you can also click on this button. To market this your new service, just create flyers or just simple post it on your WhatsApp story, Instagram story, Snapchat, TikTok, or anywhere you think you can promote yourself. Let people know you are selling data at an affordable rate, and when they pay you for this service, you come into VTU Express and you purchase data for them. Let us go ahead and purchase data inside VTU Express. If you're using the web page, if you are using the desktop page, click on Buy Data on the left part of the screen. If you are doing this on mobile, look for the drop down icon and locate Buy Data. To buy the data, you need to put in your customer's network, select the data type. If you want to purchase large size data, you click on the corporate gifting. If you are selling just the 2 gig data or any other low size data, click on SME. Enter your client's phone number, select the data plan they want to purchase. In this case, 2 gig. And you can see right here, you'll be paying 490 Naira for this same data that they will purchase on MTN for 1,200. If you are buying this data for 500 Naira and you decide to sell to your customers for 800 Naira, you know you have a leverage over someone selling for 1,000 Naira or 1,100. Yours is cheaper and they will keep coming back. The last thing you need to do is select bypass number validator. You don't need this, and the next thing, just click on buy now. This will automatically purchase the data, taking out the money from your wallet. After the transaction is done, it will take you to the receipt page where you see transaction successful and the details of the transaction you just carried out. How can you scale up this business? We'll be mentioning a few options. This can help you scale this business from making as little as 100,000 Naira daily to making as much as 300,000 Naira daily, and the possibilities are endless. The first option is to advertise via WhatsApp. Create a beautiful flyer. If you want to learn how to create flyers, brand a business, you can click the link in the description or above this video right now to learn how to do all this inside Canva and how to set up a Canva account. When you create beautiful flyers like the one you are seeing on the screen right now in different sizes and dimensions for stories, for feeds, you can share with your friends and family to repost on their WhatsApp stories, on their Instagram pages, and every other place they can post it for you. The second option is to advertise your service with WhatsApp TVs. We all know what WhatsApp TVs are. These are people who post stories, funny stories, news, and all these things, and along the line they put in adverts for people. You can pay all the services, and I'm sure they are very cheap. You know, you can pay them from as little as 500 Naira a day to up to 4,500 Naira a day, depending on which WhatsApp TV you decide to go with. At the end of the day, you'll be investing into your business to generate more sales. And the third option to promote your business is actually to promote this on Twitter, promote it on Instagram, promote it via sponsored ad, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. You can also promote this on YouTube and everywhere you can think of. If you want to learn digital marketing, from Twitter ads to Instagram ads to YouTube ads, WhatsApp ads, Facebook ads, everything you need to know is in the link below, or you can click the button right now that says learn digital marketing. Now you need to decide, do you really want to do this, and is it worth it? And the answer to that last question is yes, it is definitely worth it. If you make 500 Naira on one service rendered and you can render that same service to 1,000 people in a month, that is 500,000 Naira. And for someone who is looking for a way to make money online, making an additional 500,000 Naira monthly on the side is definitely worth it. For every resources you need, if you have questions, if you need guidance, if you need counseling, you can reach out to us via the link in the description that says contact BridgeCat. If you want to book a one-on-one session with our lead creator, you can also use the link in the description that says contact radio. Kindly join our community, the BridgeCat, which is the Bridge Commerce and Tech community, where we teach everything commerce and technology for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video valuable. Don't forget to like, share and comment below with your thoughts and questions. If you are new, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest trends in business and technology. Stay productive and profitable. Until next time.